Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Gmail account step by step. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Check the top right corner to make sure you are logged into the specific account you want to delete. Click on your profile picture and then select Manage your Google account. Once you are in your account dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the section called Data from apps and services you use. Here, click on Delete a Google service. If you prefer a faster route, you can simply use the search bar at the top and type Delete a Google service. Google will now ask you to verify your identity by entering your password. After you sign in, you will see a list of the Google services connected to your account. Find Gmail in this list and click the trash can icon right next to it. To proceed, Google requires you to provide a different non-Google email address. This is so you can continue using your other Google services, like Drive or YouTube, without your Gmail address. Type in your alternate email address and click Send Verification Email. Finally, open that alternate email inbox, find the message from Google, and click the link inside to permanently delete your Gmail account. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next video.